everybody and welcome to Them Fast. Today we have this Polo, this Volkswagen Polo out of 2018. Today we're gonna POV drive this car for you, and yeah, I'm very curious what this car is like when driving. So let's go ahead inside of the car. Change this to car, great, and the view to speed. Let's see how it can. So, hey, this is strange. Oh, it is this one. Oil temperature, that's also nice. Put it in sport, let's go. So guys, welcome in this 2018 Volkswagen Polo. This car has 95 horsepower and it has a 1.0 TSI engine. So that's really nice. It's also a automatic gearbox and it has some flappy pedal gears, as you can see. You can use them manually and you can put this over to drive the car fully manually. And this is for driving in sport mode and in just a normal drive. It's a very comfortable car for the amount of money you pay for this car, so that's quite good. And this car has everything you need. A really beautiful system that start stop has to be off. A really beautiful system where you can find all the information about the car and also about your phone and who's calling and all that kind of stuff. Also your radio is on it, of course, and that's also really nice. In terms of this system, it's quite basic and normal because there are some dials, and these dials tell you everything about the car, but there is no virtual cockpit. So guys, enjoy this drive and let us know what you think of this car. So in terms of the comfort of this car, here we have a road with some little bumps, and it feels really nice. It actually feels good. So if you want a car for in the city or in your neighborhood, that's really perfect. And this car is also really usable on the highway. I drove a bit faster, and it does it really good. It's quiet, it's stable, and it works how it should do. And I know for a fact, because the owner told me, that the vacation trips are decent as well. So you can use everything you want on vacation, drive for longer distances, have a lot of stuff with you, and it's all fine. So that's really cool with this car. It's really cool for driving short bits of road, and it's also really fine for longer trips. If you want to go a bit quicker, that's also possible. And if you want to drive in town, that's also fine. So it's really cool that this car is a real all-around car. Really, really cool. I'm now putting it in drive. Then the gearbox is not as fast as in sport mode, but it drives a little bit more comfortable. And now the gearbox is very, very smooth. And yeah, as you can see, I didn't even drove 50 kilometers an hour and it was already in 5th gear. It's now already in 6th gear. Oh, and it's now even already in 7th gear. And I'm driving 70 kilometers an hour. So that's really, really fast. This DSG lets you shift very, very early. Let's see how it does with, yeah, it does that really good. Once again, check out over here, you can see in which gear I am, and then you can see how fast it shifts up gears. So I was not this 3rd gear, 4th gear, I'm not even in 4th gear. I'm not driving 50 kilometers an hour and it's already in. Damn, this is really, really fast. And I don't know if I like this, but some way Volkswagen is okay with this. Okay, it's very interesting. Very interesting. The kickdown is also quite fast. So this car is a very good all-around car. If you want a car that drives good on the highway, drives good in town, do a little good with the gas, this car is the one you will buy. And the gearbox is very, very smooth. You don't have to do anything with clutching and manual stuff. It's pretty fine. So check out our other videos about this car. We made some videos in terms of 0 to 100, a review. We did a walk around of this car. You can see everything in detail over there. And we made a whole bunch of shorts. So if you want to see all that videos, check out our YouTube channel, Damn Fast, of course. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and see you guys in our next video. Ciao.